Mm-mm. Hello friend, welcome to another MCQ multiple choice question of CSOL.NET. So here this is the code. So this is the important concept with main method. So many people give the answer error, but error is not the answer of this code. So here you can see multiple main method that I am using. One is m, a string s, here a string args. So this is the array and main object o. So if I run this code, definitely that print here this code main method. So main method it's displaying because here when I take the cursor on main, so program main has the wrong signature to be an entry point. So it has the wrong signature here this or so the correct format of this so that it's displaying here main method. But you can give any name at this place like abcdq whatever. So a string array must be there, and this place you can give any kind of name. So here it will know so any error. So here main method it's displaying. But if I give double signature double string as now here this now you can see here the program already defined member called man method. Okay, main method same parameter, so same parameter but name are different, but here parameter are same. So it must be unique parameter here, so that no any error. It's a warning but no any error. Here this is the warning but no any error. Code complete, code run successfully. And here at this place you must give array. So here then it will work correctly. So if I run here this time I have given so this will execute, and here it's displaying a string method because this is the correct format here. So of a main method it must be there a static void main and a string, and here you must give this array. Now if I give a small, so let's run this code. So here it's I think it will now not show any kind of problem. So here it's it can be a smaller or capital letter, but array must be there. So this is the correct format so that it's displaying a string method. Okay, so this is the one important interview question for C# programmer. So here main method must have a string. It may be capital bigger, or array must be there. You can at this place you can give any kind of names. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now in this video it's over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.